Hello everyone, this is another day on the deck building project. So let's start on a front porch. This porch we not demo completely because I have some problem with it. We just putting new concrete 2 feet deep and feet by feet wide, because the front support is just sitting on a piece of brick. And look at this. If you follow the main post, this holding the whole front roof. This is so dangerous because of the weight of the snow, and it's literally just hanging on air. Look, it's nothing underneath. So I like to installing a metal post base anchoring to the concrete, and then just cutting out the corner and installing a new support all the way up to the header to making more sturdy and safer. So this is a front. Let's go to the back side. Here we again digging. It's a huge deck, so aligning to the house. So every 6 feet apart, we digging a 2 feet deep hole, and 6 feet by 6 feet we pouring a concrete, installing a metal post base, make sure the deck is strong enough and sturdy. Here in this corner we just chopping down because of the fire pit, so making a little angle at the deck. It's a big deck, it's a 40 by 18. We have couple of wires what needs to move it to that corner front of the deck. This is for the pool lighting. I have on the other side also, and some sprinkler system what we need to move it. As you guys see, most of the digging and concrete is done, so we're ready to installing a metal supports, a post base, starting from this corner and then following all the way to the house. So this is for now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.